Welcome back to my channel, superstars. I hope everybody is of sound mind and body and in good spirits at this time. And I welcome you into a new tutorial. I'm starting off wiping my face with some Walgreens brands towelettes. I like to start off with a clean face, so I'm removing all dirt and impurities from my face, followed by my fan so that I can cool down my face. And then I went ahead and took the liberty of doing my brows off camera with my Makeup Revolution brow pencil. And now I'm applying my P. Louise base number 5 to my eyelids so that I can prep them for eyeshadow application. Next, I'm using my e.l.f. 15-Hour Camo Concealer. This one is a beautiful full coverage concealer so that I can go ahead and sculpt out my brows. And this color is really, really gorgeous. I believe this one is Warm Tan. I'm going into my Profusion Siennas 21 shade palette, and I'm picking this color Cryptic. This is going to be my transition color, and I'm going to apply this in the transition area all the way almost up to my brow bone area. And I'm also using the Profusion brush that came with it, which is pretty good quality. It gave me a beautiful diffused transitional eye area. And now I'm going in and I'm going to darken the crease area with the shade Madly. This is going to go into the crease area from the corners of the outer third of my eyes into the crease almost halfway through, not all the way over. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Concealer in Halo, and I'm going to apply some to the back of my hand and then use a flat shader brush by Morphe to apply it to the inner half of my eyelid as well as my lower lash line. And I'm not trying to go for per se a sharp cut crease look. I just want to apply it to the lid so that I can apply this beautiful sunflower yellow warm shade Serendipity over it. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it into the Madly shade that I applied on the outer half of my eyelid. And I'm going to do my best to diffuse the cut crease line that I created at the top because I want it to be a soft, blown out look. I'm applying more Madly eyeshadow to the outer half of my eye so that I can intensify the color and I can further blend it into Serendipity. Now I'm going to pick up Exclusive, which is a beautiful, soft, champagne gold light color to my brow bone lid. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that in well and blend it down into the Cryptic shade that we had applied in the transition area. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Madly and apply that to the outer half of my lower lash line. Now I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to apply to my lashes. Followed by my Ardell Double Up Lashes in the number 113. These are gorgeous, gorgeous lashes. I love them so much. Water break. It's really lime infused water. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer to my skin. I noticed a change in the formulation lately. It is a thick emollient now, and it goes into the skin real thick and smooth, and it just really clings to the face and it feels really, really good on the skin. So they have improved the formula and I love it so much. It's one of my standbys in my makeup collection when it comes to primers. My foundation of choice for this look is my Too Faced Born This Way liquid foundation in the shade Butter Pecan. This is full coverage, it's gorgeous on, and I love how it just covers up all my imperfections. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Tan Neutral to highlight my face. And then blend everything out with my e.l.f. makeup sponge. I'm applying my Juvia's Place contour in number 7 to my face, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. This is my current obsession at the moment to set my highlighted areas with, and it's my Juvia's Place loose powder in the shade Gobi. Followed up by my other obsession, my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette to contour my face with. This one is a recent purchase. This is the Black Radiance Loose Face Powder in the shade Honeymoon. When I tell you this is so pretty, I thought it would be cakey and orangey on the skin, but it's actually really sheer with a slight hint of warm tan shade to it, and it is so gorgeous. I'm pulling out an old standby, old favorite in my blush collection, which is the e.l.f. blush palette in the dark palette. And I went ahead and grabbed the darkest shade in the palette to apply to my skin since this is a warm tone look. And like I said, it's super pigmented, so it don't take much to blend it out. Followed by another new purchase, which is the Coty Airspun Highlighting Powder. This one is so freaking pretty. It's very bright. It reminds me of my Flexitarian highlighter by ColourPop. I applied it all over the skin. And this is in the shade Snow Much Ice. On to the lips. I'm using LA Colors brown lip liner pencil to line my lips with. It's really an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip pencil. And then I'm going to follow that up with a new shade that I'm going to apply to my lips. It's by Wet n Wild. It's a shade from their new lipstick collection, actually a matte lipstick called Skinny Dip, my bad. And it's really, really gorgeous. It's like a mauvey, cool purple toned type of lip color. Like I said, it goes on matte. I blended it into my lip liner, and then I followed that up to add a little shine to my lips. So I wanted a little, pucker. So I use LA Colors clear lip lacquer or lip gloss to apply over the lipstick shade, and it looks beautiful. Now that I've gotten my highlighter and powder applications out of the way, I can go ahead and apply my mascara to my lower lash line. And I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. They got the right name because this mascara is everything. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out my look with my lashes. To set and finish off everything, I'm using my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray to set my face. And then I'm going to cool it down with my personal fan. Actually, this is a fan that I had made for a close friend of mine whom I consider to be a sister. I personalize these fans, so if you're interested, just hit my DMs or email me at my email address below if you would like a customized, personalized fan, such as this one. And that completes my look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It was quick and easy. As you notice, I didn't use any liquid liner. I just wanted to go for a more natural look, but warm and soft and pretty. So if you do like this look, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will hit you superstars later. I love you all. God bless you, and goodbye.